This is Specialist Maths. It's 8.5, question number 4. A car is accelerating at a constant rate. Accelerating at a constant rate, therefore I can use these rules. From rest, so u equals 0 and reaches a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, so 60 divided by 3.6, having travelled 50 meters. So that is 60 divided by 3.6, which is 50 over 3. So that's 50 over 3, if that's velocity, and that's time, and I know this area is equal to 50. If the car continues to accelerate at this rate, how far will it travel in the 11th second? And what will be the speed at the end of the 11th second? If I continue between the 10th and the 11th, that's the distance that it travelled in the 11th second, and this is the speed at the end of the 11th second. Okay, I don't know the acceleration, so I'm going to use the first piece of information, that u equals 0, v equals 50 on 3, that s equals 50, to find a. And I'll do that by finding t first, and I can do that by saying that I can find I'm going to use this triangle to find t, because I know with this triangle that the height is 50 on 3, the area is 50, and t will be that. So 50 equals a half, 50 on 3 times t, therefore t equals 6. And since I know t equals 6, I can now use this to find a, because v, which is 50 on 3, equals 0 plus a times 6. Therefore, a equals 50 on 18, which equals 25 on 9 meters per second squared. So I know that's what a equals. To know how far it travelled in the 11th second, it's going to be how far it travelled in 11 seconds minus how far it travelled in 10 seconds. So S of 11 will be using this rule, U, which is 0 times 11, plus a half, A, which is 25 on 9, t squared, which is 11 squared. And S of 10 equals 0 times 10 plus a half, 25 on 9 times 10 squared. All on a calculator, that gives you 175 on 6, which is roughly 29.17 meters. What is the velocity after 11 seconds? I can use this rule here, because I know that it starts at 0 plus a, which is 25 on 9 times 11, and that gives me 275 on 9 meters per second, which is roughly 30.56 meters per second.